guys, what's up? So my spring break is officially in 1 week, and I thought for this week's video I would take you guys along with me as I prep and prepare for my spring break and my week off from school and my trip that I'm going on and just all of that. So I made a to-do list of things I need to do to prep for spring break on my phone, and the first thing I need to do is get some new clothes because it's officially the springtime, it's getting warmer out, and a few new pieces for the springtime and the new season are a must-have. Just with my look, PacSun is having this like really awesome flash sale, so I think it's time to do some online shopping and find some cute clothes to wear for spring break. So let's do this. So I just placed an order on like 4 things and I got them all for like 50 bucks. So real excited about this. We love cheap clothes. The next thing on my to-do list is to work out because I have this week off from dance, so that means I'm not gonna be dancing a couple hours every night, which means in order to stay in shape and not be a complete mess when I come back to dance, I need to work out and just keep up my health. So hopefully I get to work out like 3 times. Who knows if that's actually gonna happen. Let's go work out. So it's the next day, I'm just about ready to work out. This is my last one for the week, so let's do this. Just finished my last workout for this week. I'm sweaty, I'm tired, I'm out of breath. I think we're done here. The next thing on my to-do list is to pack because I'm going on a little weekend trip to San Francisco. So I definitely need to pack for that trip and just kind of get my whole life situated and just pack all my clothes and my vlog camera and just everything I'm gonna need for my weekend in Northern Cal. It's currently Wednesday, the day before I leave for my trip. So that means it's time to pack. Got all my bags out. Let's do this. I just finished laying out all the clothes I am planning on bringing. Some jeans, a skirt, some shorts, fancier outfits, tank tops, t-shirts, and then like 1 long sleeve shirt, pajamas, underwear, socks, a jacket to layer, my shoes, and then all of like my technology stuff that I'm planning on bringing as well. So I'm gonna pack all of this into these bags here, and I think we're pretty much done with packing. That did not take as long as I thought it would. And the last thing on my to-do list is to do some skincare. It'll be nice to have some well taken care of and fresh skin for the trip that I'm about to go on and all the dance classes I'm gonna be taking over break as well. It's currently the night before I leave for my trip, so now is the perfect time to do a little bit of extra skincare. Tonight I'm gonna use this cup of coffee face mask from Lush. This is my go-to. This is much needed because my face is an absolute mess right now. This is not cute. So there you guys go. That's pretty much everything I did to prep and prepare for my spring break. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you happen to like this video, subscribe. I post new videos every Saturday and you definitely don't want to miss out on those. And that's all I have for you guys this week. I'll see you guys on Saturday with another video.